You can hear something, but what is it? A wheeze? A ronchi? In critical care, guessing isn't good enough. Smart devices go beyond sound. IuSync DigiStealth enhances auscultation with AI assistance, heart and lung filters, and real-time visual feedback right on your phone. Want to isolate heart sounds? Tap to activate the heart filter. Need lung clarity? Switch in one touch. No interference, just clinical focus. Let AI flag what you might miss. IuSync's intelligence supports your clinical instincts without replacing them.
Replay, slow down, share, document. Everything a smart device should offer, IuSync DigiStealth delivers. This isn't just a digital stethoscope, it's smart auscultation redefined. Discover IuSync DigiStealth. Learn more at iusync.ai.